This is the story of a business that designs and sells ergonomic office furniture. Their products include desks, chairs, storage units, office fitness solutions, and even gaming setups. They are based in Egypt with showrooms in New Cairo and Obor City, and they serve both individuals working from home and the large organizations across the MENA region. Their mission is simple but powerful: to help people work smarter, feel better, and thrive in healthier workspaces. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and we are Softtrix, a digital marketing company based in India. We for the last 17 years helping businesses scale through smart digital strategies. For more information, you can visit our website. So now let's talk about what we did to transform this account. In May 2025, the business approached us because they were struggling with their online ads. At that time, they were running just one campaign. They had spent around 10,000 Egyptian currency, and the ads dashboard was showing a massive ROAS of 32.76. On the surface, it looked like the campaign was performing incredibly well, but when we dug deeper, the truth was very different. In reality, they had barely 2 sales. The numbers were misleading because their conversion tracking was broken. They did not have a clear picture of sales, and even the back-end data did not match what the ads were reporting. This meant they were spending money without knowing what was really working. Once we understood the problems inside the account, we knew we had to rebuild everything from the ground up. The first and most important step was fixing the conversion tracking. Without it, the business was actually relying on fake numbers. The ads dashboard showed huge returns, but in reality, sales were almost non-existent. By implementing GA4 and the Google Tag Manager, we made sure so every real purchase was recorded. This gave the business a clear, honest picture of what was happening, and it allowed us to measure the success properly for the first time. With tracking fixed, we have moved on to creating new campaigns. The old campaigns was too broad and generic, so we have designed fresh campaigns with clear ad messages that spoke directly to the audience. We have highlighted the benefits of ergonomic desks for professionals, gaming chairs for the younger audiences, and storage solutions for the businesses. Each campaign was crafted to connect with the right people and drive meaningful action. We did not stop at one campaign type. Instead, we have tested both Performance Max and standard shopping campaigns. Performance Max gave us the reach across Google's entire network, while the standard shopping campaigns allowed us to control targeting more precisely. By separating product categories and the audiences, we have ensured that each group, whether professionals, gamers, or businesses, saw the ads tailored to their needs. This structure gave us the flexibility to see what worked best and scale accordingly. Another major issue was the product feed. Titles and the descriptions were too simple and did not capture what people were searching for. We have researched the best performing keywords and rewrote product titles and descriptions to be more engaging and search friendly. This not only improved the visibility in the Google results, but also made the product more appealing to potential buyers who were comparing solutions. To sharpen our strategy further, we have studied competitor campaigns. We looked at how the other businesses positioned their products, what messages they have used, and where they were spending. This analysis helped us to identify gaps and the opportunities. We then crafted the campaign that stood out, emphasizing unique features, benefits that competitors were not highlighting, giving our client a stronger edge in the market. We also knew that many visitors showed interest but did not complete a purchase. To bring them back, we have launched the remarketing campaigns. These ads reminded potential buyers of the product they had viewed, keeping the brand top of the mind and encouraging them to return and complete their purchase. Remarketing became a powerful tool to convert the lost opportunities into the real sales. At the same time, we ran the A/B tests across the devices, products, and the audiences. We did not assume what would work best. We have tested different creatives, placements, and the targeting options. This allowed us to identify the winning combinations and continuously refine the campaign for maximum impact. So every test gave us insights that made the next round of the ads even stronger. Finally, we have improved the Google Merchant Center product feed. We have cleaned up the product data, ensured accurate details, and we have added high quality images. A well-optimized feed meant that products were displayed in the most attractive and accurate way possible, which boosted click-through rates and increased conversions. So all of these steps came together to transform the account. What started as wasted spend and misleading numbers turned into the real measurable growth. Within just 1 month, the business went from barely 2 sales to 141 confirmed purchases, with the ad spend increased to 37,000 Egyptian currency, and then the revenue skyrocketed to 707,000, delivering a verified ROAS of 18.83. This was not just a turnaround, it was a proof that the right strategy, clean tracking, and the continuous optimization, digital ads can deliver powerful results. This story is proof that the right strategy, clean tracking, and the continuous optimization can completely change the outcome of the digital ads. Many businesses face the same problem. They spend money on the ads, but without proper tracking and strategy, they don't know what's really happening. That's where we come in. We help businesses unlock the true potential of their campaigns, turn wasted spend into the profitable growth. If you want same kind of results for your business, we would love to work with you. You can reach us directly through our website or on WhatsApp showing on the display. Let's work together to transform your ads into real sales and help your business grow.